Hey there, we're Crystal and Eric, corporate remote workers, Airbnb photographers, and now full-time van lifers. We like traveling off the beaten path and finding hidden gems along the way. If you like that too, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. And come along with us today as we tell you about van life in Kentucky.
Just when you thought you were out of the cave, we went right back in.
So not only is Cave City known for having the longest cave system in the world, they have various other caves to explore that are, I guess, a part of different cave systems too. So we did one of those, and this time we explored the cave in a different way. The boat definitely added a new element to the cave that we did not have in the National Park Tour, so that was super cool to have. Really glad to have had both experiences, and honestly we might not be done with our cave tours yet because there's one more I kind of want to do.
I think we're going back underground. This one was also very cool. It was the Lost River Cave Tour, and they also had free walking trails to go.
What's your favorite trail in Kentucky?
Obviously the wellnessmama.com trail. I don't know, just since when is nature sponsored?
And we saw an albino squirrel on top of that whole dike, so.
Never seen anything like this before. My brain didn't know how to comprehend what was going on. Really cool.
And that is kind of a theme that I'm feeling van lifing in Kentucky. I cannot comprehend how underrated Kentucky is. We keep saying Kentucky has a marketing issue. This has been so fun.
At least what we as East Coasters, Northerners thought about Kentucky, our expectations have been totally blown out of the water. You kind of think it's rural, there's not going to be good cell service, it might be kind of hard to park, you're going to have to drive really far to get anywhere worthwhile, there might not be any vegan food. All of those things are totally not true. We have had a fantastic time van lifing top to bottom through Kentucky that I'm actually really excited. We're still here for a couple more days.
And there's no excuse, Kentucky. You have Kentucky Fried Chicken. If anybody knows a state in the United States worldwide, it's Kentucky. So come on, get up to speed.
Yeah, and ironically, we have not seen a lot of KFCs here.
Van lifing through Kentucky is not over yet. It is a gorgeous day here in Bowling Green, and we're gonna hit the downtown. And we've been here before, and we're gonna pressure test. Were we wrong about Bowling Green? Because we got to calling it Boring Green before. So does it deserve its own namesake, or will it remain Boring Green?
Especially with this new color of Kentucky, with how much we love it. I don't know. My expectations are kind of high.
Let's go find out.
You just dip it.
Yeah, you just eat the whole thing. You have to add oat milk to your iced tea.
I actually love the look and the flavor. I'm excited for you.
It's weird. Everyone looks at you like you're weird, but when you do it, it's really good. Just try it.
Eating vegan cookies on a bench. What is this, COVID?
Oh my God. I think I had a tea then too.
And I was doing coffee.
In Princeton.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
So could you give a painfully long review of each cookie? And not quite sure what this one is.
Snickerdoodle?
Snickerdoodle.
It was wrong. What we did was wrong, and I'm so sorry to anyone who watched our early videos.
But thanks for sticking around.
Thanks for sticking around. They're cool now.
Just when you think van lifing in Kentucky couldn't get any easier, they have free dump station here right in Bowling Green. So I don't know if it's a Camping World thing, but this dump station's at the Camping World. I don't know if it's something that they advertise, but it makes sense from a business model perspective. You come here to dump, you're like, oh, I'm gonna pick up some stuff from Camping World. Is that all Camping World? Just this one? I don't know. But now I have a place to put this damn sink water, so I'm excited. Gotta use both feet. This is the thumbnail. Like, Van Life Kentucky. So it absolutely worked on us. Here we are in the Camping World.
Already finding things that we're like, ooh, maybe that would be cool.
You don't know what you don't know, and they have such interesting things. Mini
traveling pink flamingos. We learned about what these could mean at a concert right before we left. Interesting to see them in the context of a van or RV.
What are you up to, Camping World?
What are you trying to say? Right next to the Hawaiian party lights. What kind of party is this?
Cave day number 3.
3 caves!
If we end up making it, because I didn't realize how far it was.
And we've just been sitting around waiting to go. And now we're a little late for our cave tour.
Oops. All
And
right.
Kristen was planning on showing up late too anyway, secretly.
They say arrive 30 to 60 minutes early. Why do you have to be there an hour early? All of them have said that. We got there early and there has been no reason for us to get there early. So I'm like, we're not going to go early for this one. Yes, we're going to be late.
I love you. You're taking the fall for this one. I had nothing to do with this time management situation.
There's a museum there if we miss the tour. I mean, wish us luck.
It's a real hidden tour in that we don't get to go.
It's called the Hidden River Cave.
You really get a good bounce like halfway through.
All right, we did make the Hidden River Cave tour.
Woohoo! We
Yes.
did not miss it, and the whole tour would have been canceled if we didn't show up because we were the only people on it.
How cool is that? So it was super private, super unique experience, and really happy we made it. And by the way, there was absolutely no need to be there an hour before, so I was right.
You are exonerated. Way to go, Crystal. Way to save us some time.
Thank you. So not only was it a private tour, it was just Eric and I with the tour guide, which made for a super cool experience, but it was also the most like privately held cave. It's run by one of the caving associations, which is a nonprofit, and one of the other tours was as well, and you can definitely feel a difference in the tours between the private experiences and the national park experience. Honestly, I think we probably prefer the private experience just a little bit better, and there were other perks too, like smaller groups and just a more personal experience.
What also made this particular tour super unique is that it was directly beneath the main street of the town. You could see the town from the opening of the cave. It was also, the cave mouth itself, the most dramatic entrance that we experienced of all the 3 caves that we went to, including Mammoth Cave. Pretty incredible combination of factors there.
Yeah, if you are looking for a smaller experience, something that's definitely going to wow you and maybe want to save a couple bucks from the national park, we definitely recommend the Hidden River Cave. However, it is a little bit further out than the Lost River Cave and Mammoth Cave. That's actually why we were late, because it was a 45-minute drive from Bowling Green, not the 25-minute drive that we were just used to.
Might be worth the trip though.
I think so.
Excuse me, I burped.
So that unfortunately closes our time in Kentucky. I am so sad about it, but at least we got to see 3 different caves.
Oh boy, and I know that there's more, and there's going to be a lot more for us to do. We are definitely going to come back to Kentucky. You can mark my words here. But that's not also it for the Deep South road trip. We are just getting started south, really. We are on our way to Tennessee.
Woo!
And give us tips, because we still don't know what's down there. Please help us. What's
we have
going
no
on?
idea what's in store for us. We're super excited. So get ready for a little bit of Nashville and Franklin content. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe right now. Go back and watch our previous videos if you haven't, but we have a lot more van life coming for you.
All right, we'll see you in the next one.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Boom.
So big.
You think those wheels are big enough?